Morning sun up in the sky. Wake up kids, let's jump and try. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Come and sing along with me. Jump up high, touch the sky. Wave hello and say hi, hi. Tap your feet on the ground. Listen to the happy sound. Birds go chirp, 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 chirp. Bees go buzz, 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 us by. Spin around, round and round. Happy laughter all around. Smile big and shout hooray. We will have a fun today. 1 red apple in my hand are 2 small feet on the land. 3 big steps, walk with me. 4 green trees we can see. 5 little ducks say quack, quack, quack. Walking slowly down the track. 6 bright stars in the night. 7 clouds soft and white. 8 bunny hops, hop, hop, hop. 9 big laughs, never stop. 10 small fingers, count them all. Learning numbers big and small. Let's play, come along. Clap your hands and sing a song. Let's play, come along. Clap your hands and sing a song. Say la 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 across the floor. Run outside and play some more. Build a tower big and tall. Oops, it falls, laugh with all. Slide down fast, swing up high. Watch the kites in the sky. Share your toys, be kind today.